Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine finally having a solution that tackles acne right at its source and keeps it from coming back. Well, today, we're talking about a game-changing kit for acne-prone skin that promises to fight breakouts from day one. The Differin Acne Skincare Kit is a 2-in-1 powerhouse, a retinoid treatment gel and a benzoyl peroxide face and body wash. Let's dive into whether it really lives up to the hype. Differin Gel, the star of this kit, contains 0.1% Adapalene, an over-the-counter retinoid that's been a favorite for acne treatment for years. This gel works by speeding up cell turnover, which helps prevent clogged pores, a major culprit behind acne breakouts. It also fights inflammation, which can be a key player in those painful, inflamed pimples we all know too well. If you've ever struggled with persistent acne, you've probably heard that Adapalene is known for its effectiveness in treating and preventing breakouts, and this formula is backed by over 40 million users worldwide. On the flip side, the kit also includes Differin's 5% Benzoyl Peroxide Face Cleanser. This deep cleaning wash targets acne-causing bacteria, wiping out pimples while absorbing excess oil and releasing a gentle moisturizer that doesn't clog pores. Its dual-action formula makes it a versatile product for both the face and body. No more worrying about breakouts on your back or chest. So how did this product perform during real-world testing? Well, I have to say, incorporating this into my routine was easy. But let's talk about the application experience first. The Differin Gel is lightweight, and it absorbed fairly quickly into my skin without feeling greasy. I did experience some dryness and peeling during the first few days, which is pretty typical with retinoids, but after a few weeks, my skin started to look clearer and smoother. You'll need to be patient with this one, as retinoid products work gradually, but the results? Definitely worth it. My skin didn't just clear up, it felt healthier overall. The cleanser, on the other hand, was a different story. The 5% benzoyl peroxide formula worked wonders for cleaning out my pores and reducing the size of any active pimples. It did leave my skin feeling a little tight right after use, but that's something that can be mitigated with a good moisturizer. The refreshing feel it gave my face made it feel truly clean, no oily residue left behind. I also noticed it helped with body breakouts. I usually struggle with acne on my chest and back, and this really helped reduce flare-ups. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: effective formula. Both the Differin Gel and the benzoyl peroxide cleanser have been proven to reduce acne, with the Differin Gel showing up to an 87% reduction in breakouts over 12 weeks. Multifunctional. The cleanser works for both face and body, making it versatile. Gentle on skin. Even with its strong acne-fighting ingredients, it doesn't leave the skin overly dry or irritated, if used correctly. Cons: dryness. As with any retinoid, the Differin Gel can cause initial dryness and peeling, which can be annoying if you have sensitive skin. Not a quick fix. The results aren't immediate, and this is a long-term solution. So if you're expecting an overnight miracle, you'll be disappointed. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. The kit combines two clinically proven acne-fighting ingredients, Adapalene and benzoyl peroxide, both known for their efficacy in treating acne. For someone who's dealing with persistent acne, this kit offers a real solution at a reasonable price for the quality and clinical backing. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking for a gentler approach or need a less intense option, you might want to explore products with salicylic acid, which is a great alternative for those who can't tolerate retinoids. However, for an over-the-counter solution that's as effective as prescription treatments, Differin stands out. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and effective. The gel comes in a sturdy tube, and the cleanser is in a bottle that's easy to use with a pump. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Both products feel lightweight, and I haven't experienced any issues with product breakdown or poor pump performance. I didn't have any personal experience with customer service, but Differin's reputation is solid, and they are known to respond promptly to customer inquiries. Their long-standing presence in the market suggests a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're someone who's ready to commit to a long-term acne treatment routine, Differin might be the answer. However, if you're someone with sensitive skin, or you're looking for a quick fix, you may want to consider something less intensive. I would recommend this to those with persistent acne who have used other treatments in the past and are looking for something more effective. It works, but you've got to be patient. Before we wrap up, let me know if this review helped you out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss future reviews like this one. Your support really helps keep the channel going. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you've used the Differin Acne Skincare Kit or have any thoughts on acne treatments, leave a comment below and share your experience. We all want clear skin, so let's help each other out. And remember, until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.